Governor Beshear has declared a state of emergency for Kentucky.
Most of the models show about 11 inches of snow for Lexington, maybe 13 or 14 for Louisville.
We're going to be locked in for about a week. So I thought this was the perfect time to gain some weight, or at least try to, because really I kind of struggle gaining weight, so this will be a good challenge. Currently I weigh around 150, so by the end of the week I'd like to be around 158, 160, at least 158 though. So this week I'm going to focus on lifting and a lot, and I mean a lot, of eating. But before it starts, I have to get a few groceries. Alright, so I think I got everything. The bulking starts now, so I'm gonna go to Hardee's, try to get some chicken in me, and finally start gaining some weight. I'd like the Royal New York Cheesecake Blizzard.
What size?
Small.
Is that all for you?
That'd be it.
$5.93.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Your boy is getting fat. Now all I gotta do now is just see how much weight I can gain. So I'm around 153 right now, so by the end of the week or longer, I'm gonna try to get between 158, 160. I've never bulked like this before, but it's gonna be a controlled bulk. Or so I thought it was gonna be, but let's see what happens. All right, for dessert, we're gonna do some protein shake. So this is something I kind of struggle with. I can eat all I want, but it's actually hard for me to gain the weight. So I have to eat double or triple more than I usually eat to actually gain some weight. So that's why I think this dirty bulk is going to give me a good push to where I can get closer to where I want to get. But this second day, I upped it up by a notch. Alright, so between the day I went out to get groceries and the first day of being snowed in, I believe my stomach has extended just a little bit where I can eat a little bit more. So, I kind of forgot that I can't really make the decision to eat clean because we really can't leave the house, so all I'm doing is eating junk. Oh well. Alright, so first workout of the week today, I'm just going to do a push-up workout. I'll put it on the screen. And after that, I'm going to do some dumbbell work, and then maybe I might do an ab workout, or I might just walk a mile in the snow. Either one, don't know, but it's going to be easy. Dang, dude, the creek is full. Mom made some homemade sourdough bread, and it is amazing. Dude, I'm telling you, I gotta gain some weight bad. Oh my gosh, come on. But wait, I started to see a little bit of traction. So the rest of the week, it pretty much went like this. Eat, work out, eat, work out. Yeah, pretty much. And that's what I did.
Swear by their morning routine.
And I said, no.
I'm about out of creatine. It is literally 65 degrees out. I mean, I guess that means the challenge is over. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, let's go! Let's go! Your boy is finally 160. All that eating, all that working out during the winter break has finally freaking paid off. Let's go, dude. Your boy freaking did it. We are at 160. All that eating during that winter bulk was worth it. We freaking did it. We beat the challenge. And yeah, I feel great, honestly. I'm still gonna try to gain some more weight, but right now, I'm pretty happy. I'm satisfied right now. This is it for this video, guys. Thank you all for watching. I will see you on the next one. Peace.
Chocolate and strawberry, you can't beat it.
Yeah, that's chicken.
Grass-fed beef stick, something quick.
Bro, I'm stupid. I just ate a chicken sandwich and I didn't even show y'all, but I got 2 more wraps, so that's what I got.